Did you know there is a natural protein that, if consumed in the evening, can help slow down muscle loss after the age of 60, even while you sleep? This is not just another nutrition tip. What you are about to discover could completely change the way you think about aging and muscle health. We are going to talk about the proteins that protect your muscles during the night, but also the ones that silently destroy them without you even realizing it. And at the very end, I will share with you a simple 5-minute recipe that combines everything together, so your body can repair and regenerate while you rest. My name is Dr. Thomas Bernard. I am 35 years old and I am a medical educator. My role is to give you clear, simple, and actionable information to take care of your health every single day. Today you will discover 4 nighttime protein sources that have been proven to be powerful allies against sarcopenia in older adults. You will also learn about the 3 proteins you should never consume before bed if you want to maintain your strength and avoid accelerated muscle loss. The first protein on our list is white cottage cheese. This simple and affordable food is a true treasure for anyone who wants to take care of their muscles after 60. White cottage cheese is rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that releases gradually during the night, continuously feeding your muscles while you sleep. Think of your muscles like a house that needs repairs. If you give them a fast protein like whey before bed, it is like sending workers with all the tools but only giving them 30 minutes to work. With casein, however, it is like allowing them to work all night long, repairing and strengthening the walls until dawn. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that older adults who consumed casein before sleeping increased their muscle protein synthesis by more than 20% compared to those who did not. That means more strength, more endurance, and a significantly reduced risk of sarcopenia. White cottage cheese is also low in fat, easy to digest, and provides calcium and phosphorus, 2 essential minerals for bone health that work alongside your muscles to give you stability and help prevent fractures. You can eat half a cup of plain white cottage cheese mixed with a little cinnamon and a few banana slices for a naturally sweet taste. Another option is to combine it with red berries and a teaspoon of activated chia seeds to add fiber and omega-3s that support muscle recovery. Always avoid versions with added sugar or artificial flavors, as these ingredients can trigger inflammation and cancel out the benefits. The second protein is one that comes from the sea, and it is lighter, easier to digest, and may help you wake up feeling stronger than you ever imagined. We are talking about white fish. When you think about quality proteins, you probably think of beef or chicken first. But white fish like cod, sole, or pollock is an extraordinary option for the evening. It provides lean protein that is easy to digest, with an amino acid profile that your muscles can fully use while you sleep. Unlike red meats, white fish is very low in fat and does not overload your stomach. This means your body will not waste energy digesting it, and instead can focus entirely on repairing and regenerating muscle fibers. It is also rich in B vitamins, especially B12, which is essential for red blood cell production and oxygen delivery to the muscles. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition showed that older adults who consumed lean fish 3 times per week better preserved their muscle mass. They also reported fewer joint pains and more energy in the morning, thanks to minerals like phosphorus, magnesium, and selenium, which support muscle contraction and relaxation. A portion the size of your palm, steamed or baked with light vegetables like zucchini or spinach, is perfectly sufficient. Avoid frying it or preparing it with heavy sauces, as excess fat before bedtime can affect digestion and sleep quality. The third protein does not come from land or sea, but from a small grain that has been the foundation of strength and resilience in ancient civilizations for thousands of years. We are talking about quinoa. Quinoa is not an ordinary grain. Technically, it is a seed, But what makes it truly remarkable is that it contains all essential amino acids, something very few plant foods can claim. Your body receives exactly what it needs to repair muscle tissue throughout the night. Think of your muscles like a puzzle. If pieces are missing, you cannot complete it. Quinoa has all the pieces ready to assemble and rebuild your strength. Its glycemic index is also low, meaning it does not spike blood sugar during the night, which is crucial for older adults who want to avoid inflammation and metabolic issues. A study from a University of Bordeaux demonstrated that regular quinoa consumption in older adults significantly improved grip strength and walking speed, two key indicators for preventing sarcopenia. You can prepare it like a risotto mixed with light vegetables and a drizzle of olive oil, or cook it with unsweetened plant milk and a touch of cinnamon for a warm, light, and highly nutritious evening meal. And now, if you are finding this information valuable, this is the perfect moment to take one small action that costs you nothing. Subscribe to this channel right now and activate the notification bell, because every week we share simple, natural, and proven strategies to protect your health after 60, using only what nature already provides. No expensive supplements, no complicated routines, just real science made simple for real life. Click subscribe now. It only takes 1 second and it could make a real difference in how you age. The fourth and most important protein on our entire list is Greek yogurt. If you could only choose one single food to consume before sleeping, this would probably be the best option for your muscles, your digestion, and your overall health. Plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt is exceptional because it combines the best of both worlds. It contains whey protein, which absorbs quickly and begins muscle repair almost immediately, and casein, which releases slowly during the night, continuously nourishing your muscles while you sleep. It is like having two teams of workers operating on different shifts to repair your musculature. One team starts the moment you lie down, and the other continues the work all the way until dawn. But here is what is truly surprising. It does not only feed your muscles, it also improves your gut health through its natural probiotics. And a healthy gut means better absorption of nutrients, including the proteins, vitamins, and minerals you consume throughout the day. Without good gut health, a large portion of what you eat is simply lost and never reaches your muscles. Greek yogurt also provides highly bioavailable calcium for bone health and muscle contraction, and it contains tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes the production of serotonin and melatonin, the hormones that help you relax and sleep more deeply. This means you are not only recovering your muscles, you are also improving your sleep, which is fundamental to preventing sarcopenia. A study conducted at the University of Maastricht found that older adults who consumed Greek yogurt before bed not only increased muscle protein synthesis, but also experienced deeper sleep and woke up with less pain and stiffness. If you are lactose intolerant, you can opt for lactose-free Greek yogurt or plant-based versions enriched with calcium and vitamin B12, made from soy or almond. Just make sure to choose a version with no added sugar and at least 6 grams of protein per serving. Now that you know the 4 nighttime proteins that strengthen and repair your muscles while you sleep, it is time to discover the 3 proteins to avoid before bed, because instead of helping you, they could silently accelerate muscle loss without you even noticing. The first protein to avoid is processed meats and cold cuts. We are talking about industrial ham, sausages, salami, bacon, and smoked or salted meats. Even though many people believe these provide quality protein because they are meat, their composition is far from ideal for muscle health, especially in the evening. The real problem is not the protein itself, but everything that comes with it: excess sodium, saturated fat, chemical preservatives like nitrites and nitrates, and often hidden sugars used to enhance flavor. All of these ingredients inflame your body, cause fluid retention, and raise blood pressure. When your body is inflamed and retaining fluids, your muscles cannot receive the nutrients and oxygen they need to repair. A study published in BMC Medicine showed that people who frequently consumed processed meats had a 28% higher risk of muscle weakness and mobility issues with age. The second protein to avoid is red meat in excess at night. There is no doubt that beef, lamb, or pork provides complete proteins and important nutrients like iron and zinc. However, the timing of consumption makes a significant difference in how your body processes them. Red meat is much harder to digest than fish, chicken, or plant proteins. In the evening, when your metabolism is preparing for rest, this slow digestion can force your body to redirect energy away from muscle repair toward digestive work. A study from a University of Lyon observed that people who ate red meat for dinner at least 4 times per week had up to 14% less time in deep sleep than those who chose lighter evening proteins. Since deep sleep is when muscle repair happens most intensely, this is a critical difference. The third protein to avoid is low-quality protein supplements. The market is full of shakes and protein powders that promise strong muscles and more energy. But many of these products, especially the cheaper or more commercial ones, are filled with ingredients that can do more harm than good, particularly if taken before sleeping. Some contain added sugars, syrups, hydrogenated oils, and artificial flavors that not only cause inflammation but can also raise blood sugar levels just before bed, disrupting the natural production of repair hormones like growth hormone. Others are made with low bioavailability proteins, meaning your body absorbs very little of what they offer while still overloading your liver and kidneys. Now let me give you the simple and powerful combination I call the Nighttime Repair Blend. Mix plain white cottage cheese with plain Greek yogurt, add activated chia seeds, a handful of red berries like blueberries or raspberries, and a few crushed walnuts or almonds for magnesium and healthy fats. If you want a touch of sweetness, a little pure honey and cinnamon will improve the flavor while also supporting nighttime circulation. Take it 30 to 40 minutes before going to sleep. If you are consistent and take it at least 4 evenings per week, you may begin to notice changes within 2 to 3 weeks. Less stiffness upon waking, more strength when getting up, better sleep quality, and more energy throughout the day. Because aging does not mean losing your strength, every night you go to sleep with the right nutrition is a direct investment in your independence, your energy, and your well-being.